Do you know how to factorize? If not, I'm about to explain it. Just pay attention and I'll show you how it's done. If you want more useful videos like this, make sure you leave a subscribe, make sure you like the video. So, how do I factorize? To factorize, all I'm really doing is pulling out the common term or highest common factor. That's one way to think about it, right? What's the highest common factor? A factor is just a number that can get multiplied into another number, right? So for example, if I have 16, 4 is a factor of 16. Why? Because if I do 4 times by 4, oops, sorry, I don't know what that is. Because if I do 4 times by 4, I get 16. So 4 is a factor of 16, right? So we're factorizing, that's literally what we're doing. We're looking for a factor and we're pulling it outside, all right, of the equation. So here I have 4 and I have 32, right? I'm adding 4 and 32. So I'm going to ask myself, what's a common factor that both of these have? And the answer is obviously 4, because I can put 4 inside of 4 and I can put 4 inside of 32. So what do I do with this 4? I pull this 4 outside. I pull it out of these numbers and I put it outside, all right? Put it outside, and then I put some brackets down, and then I'm going to ask myself, okay, so what do I put inside the brackets? So obviously to get the first term, to get this term, it's 4x. So I need to times the 4 by x to get 4x. So my first term in the bracket is x. And now what do I need to times this 4 by to get 32? I need to times it by 8 to get 32, because 4 times by 8 gives me 32. And that's how we factorize. All right? 6a plus 30. How would I factorize that? What's the highest common factor in 6 and 30? So the highest factor of 6 is obviously 6. I could write all of the factors down, by the way. So like, what are my factors of 6? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, and I have 6, right? What about 30? Obviously I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 5, I have 6. So now I'm looking for the highest common factor of both of these. And the first one only goes up to 6, right? So straight away, I will know that 6 is the highest common factor. So I put the 6 outside of my brackets. Now I'm going to ask myself, what do I need to times this 6 by to get 6a? Obviously, I need to times it by a. 6 times by a gives me 6a. Now what about 30? I need to times 6 by, you should know, 5. 6 times by 5 gives me 30. So this is how I factorize 6a plus 30. If you want to learn more topics just like this, then let me know what topic you would like to do down in the comments below, and we're going to go over it. I do both maths and science, so yeah, make sure you leave a like and subscribe as well.